Wagwan, Ben. Malaysia, Wagwan. Up top, General. Up top. Wanna deal with. Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. For come tune into Jamaican Peter Ross. Clot. Up top. Bumbo clot. Yeah, man, me good man. Bless up, bless up. Up top, up top, up top, up top. Morning, bless up. Anywhere, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. Sharon, up top, up top, up top, up top, up top to Mama Bumbo Clot. Bless up, bless up. Seat there, seat there, seat there, seat there, seat there, seat there now. Morris, up top. Hello, Wagwan. Bless up, my sister. Bless up, bless up. Dancehall mix up top. Yes, me youth. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Me see you put up some video up there. Bless up yourself, man. Watch yourself too, you know. No matter make YouTube take on your channel, you know. Up top, man. Bless up yourself, me general. Bob Brown. Bless up. Smoke and bake. Up top, up top, up top. Me say up top. Bumbo class here like dupes and Dan and I like girl. Them a channel tone in and out. Me say Lord gosh. Up top. Robinson. Bless up yourself. Thanks for come tune into Jamaican P, man. Up top to Mama Bumbo clot. Yo, make sure you share the live, yeah, you know. Me not depend you too long, you know, so make sure you share the live, you know. Because I want Beenie man. Little niece see the blood clot live here because she come send me message about say me a tell lie upon her grandmother and her grandmother not have nothing to do with nothing. I come today for box that little bitch in her blood clot mouth. Beenie man, you better tell your little blood clot niece do not bring her blood clot ranking pussy on my channel. Keith Wagwan. Berry Wagwan up top. I'm doing fine. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Hope you're doing fine too. Up top. Respect, you know? Yes, man. Yes, man. Now me come tell Beenie man and niece say, bitch, don't come for me blood clot. She come send me no blood clot message. Okay? And me I go tell the world where you come for me blood clot. She come do. You get to me? I say, no people. This is why the fuck me come on the Monday afternoon here. And me company Monday afternoon. Angela Wagwan, Angela Black. Bless up. Come tune in. Yeah. So, people. Me say people. Here what blood clot go on. Beenie man. Me say Beenie man. That big belly boy. When look like him a breed. That boy, when lips them look like him a suck out the whole heap of pussy and body. That fucking boy, when him up a whole heap of blood clot poke to pussy clot. That little motherfucker. Boy Beenie man. Little nasty mother. Wagwan. Bless up yourself for come tune in. Much love, man. Respect. Yeah, up top. Back to this bumble hole. Hey, little boy Beenie man. Hey, little blood clot Beenie boy. Hey, boy, let me tell you something. Tell your niece, say no come for me bumbo clot shit. If you come send me no message. I me say little bitch need to pick up for your uncle. Me say little nasty blood clot pussy girl need to pick up for your uncle. Girl, how you not hold on there, how that? Colleen Wagwan. Up top. Bless up. Come cuss out Beenie man and him blood clot family them. Me no know what the fuck them are. Hey, dirty boy Beenie man. Hey, little stinking boy Beenie man. Hey, boy. Bless up yourself, my friend. Hey, boy Beenie man, let me tell you something. Me is a boy. Where I go tell you, say, figure suck your mother again. Because you're bright and blood clot face thick. Now what you need for blood clot do, I call a little ranking pussy girl there and tell the little ranking pussy girl there to go clean her pussy. Cause her pussy dirty. Blood clot bitch. Fucking bitch. Now bitch, let me tell you something. Now you come on my channel and come tell me say, Me fi keep your family name out of your blood out of my mouth. Eh? And how me fi tap tell lie about your grandmother? Your blood clot grandmother need help. Uno two blood clot worthless. Uno two bumbo clot bad mind down there. The bumbo clot, the blood clot woman. Sick no blood clot. And bitch, you want come send me message on your ranking pussy. Why you need even change your blood clot drawers yet? In dirty girl, I come tell me say fi keep my blood clot, my mouth shut and fi keep your grandmother name out of my mouth. Wagwan, bless up yourself, Richard. Yeah, up top. No, bitch, let me tell you something. I'm gonna share this video, yeah. Come, apparently this bitch watch me. And apparently she might subscribe to Jamaican. Nah, my wagwan. And apparently this bumbleclad bitch subscribe to me shit. Hey, little dirty girl. You watch me right now, go suck your bumbleclad grandmother pussy bitch. Who the fuck you come? After me on social media, pick up for your blood-clad grandmother bitch. And I tell you look what this blood-clad boy. Say if you buy mama one blood-clad new bed. And bitch you come tell me say. Me if you talk about your grandmother. Girl go suck your mother. Your bumbleclad yo. Bitch you even pick up for your blood-clad uncle. And your blood-clad grandmother you come pick up for. You know nothing to say about Beenie man bitch. In dirty girl. You know nothing to say about Beenie man. Your bumbleclad, you little nasty blood clot, girl. Beenie man no do nothing for none of blood clot too, no. Bitch. And that's why you no come pick up for Beenie man doing wagwan. And that's why Jack's wagwan. And that's why you no come pick up for the dirty blood clot, boy. Hey, little dirty blood clot, bitch. Let me tell you something. My name is Jamaican P, bitch. And I will step in on your pussy. A million blood clot time, bitch. Do not come on my channel and come send me no blood clot message, bitch. After you done suck dick. Girl, real talk, wagwan, up top. Bumbo clot, dirty fronzy, blood clot, girl. Bitch, you're fronzy. Up top. Fletcher, bliss up yourself. Up top. You see it? A blood clot Beenie man. Hey, Beenie boy. Me say, hey boy, you better tell the family them say don't bring them. Well on, what kind of Chinese blood clot sitting that there? Hey, you right there with a Chinese fucking, hey, what that? We don't understand nothing that say, no. Yeah, see you two black your blood clot, they use a fucking idiot. You know that? Use a fucking fool. You bumbo clot, yo. Me no know where you come on here with them Chinese talking shit there. Boy! Go send them blood clot message and I need to thinking mama. Me no know who the fuck understand that? Funny swagwan, up top. Bless up yourself, man, for come tuning. Bumble Alex Wagwan. Up top. Bumble clad dirty pussy hole. Me no know what the fucking company with them Chinese Andre Wagwan. With them Chinese blood clot symbol there. Pussy hole. Your bumble clot, you go suck your mother. Your blood clot, yo. Me no know where the fuck. If you come back here with them Chinese fuck with them, we go and block out your blood clot. Don't come here with them fuck with them. We don't understand that shit. Fuck wrong with you. Now first of all, me come here. Then if you two black that pussy hole, black him. Black him blood clot. Yeah, black him bumper hole, you fucker, you. You're black. Black him. You fucking fool. You think I joke thing this over here, so don't come over here with them fuck with it. Here? Cannot even you know what that mean. The bumbo clot, yo. Up top. Run wagwan. You can't wait to get home. Smoke and blood clot bake man. Just come from work, lad. Gosh. Make your money put in your blood clot pocket. Bumbo clot that you're supposed to rascal do. While that the pussy will want to send me some Chinese blood clot symbol crap. Toronto up top. See you where? Watch you now. Blaze the fuck up. Blood clot all like ganja smoke of them. Fucking smoke and bake. Blaze up now, man. Me say blaze up now. On a bomber clot. Blaze up, man. Blood clot will taste good. Jano. Blood clot. We taste good too, you know. What go on, me Dan? Much love. Bless up yourself. Much loving. Bless up yourself. Much love and respect. Yeah, man. Up top, up top, up top. Yes, man. Respect. Wolf. What go on up top, up top, up top. What's going on in Jamaica? A whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica, man. Bless up, bless up, my virgin. Bless up. That name they funny, but bless up yourself. Up top. Thanks for come tune in, man. Respect. Yeah. Now, boy, Beenie man, me a give me them blood clot in a Ross today. The boy fresh himself. The boy send him blood clot family them for come fuck themselves with me. Yeah. So me come tell the whole world what go on. You see it? Alright now, me go tell you right now. Me love one and one, but me no want to send me no long whole heap of message, you know. Nobody say me no long message, type what you type real quick and get it over with. Nobody say no book. Cause me not go read it. Me I tell you right now, if you send me a book, me not go read it. Me not read book. Okay? Now you send me one little piece of message, say what you have to say, and it done. No send me no book. Okay? And worse like come here and eat me ganja right now to blood clot. After me not gonna be able to read them sitting there. You know see a doubles me I see half a blood clot time. Me say Lord God! Me say what a pity! Bamba clot. Put out the ganja bad. Blow wow. Blow wow. I want the people are tuning in, you know. Me say blow wow. Bamba clot. Fire, fire, fire. Sticky, icky, green shit. Me say Lord gosh. Me say me feel good here. Fuck. Well on, me not nothing for drink. Let me see why another cup here. Blood clot. Me say me feel good here. Fuck. Well on, let me see why another cup. Bomber clot. You don't like me dreadlocks them? Bomber clot me look good in. Me say Lord gosh. Me say me look too blood clot good. Eh? Kelvin Wagwan. And your name funny, you know. Wagwan, bro. Bless up yourself. Up top. Yeah, me buzz up right now. You see what I say? Yeah. For real. Hello. Wagwan. Bless up yourself, sister, for come tune in. Patrick, what you say? Eh? Up top. Blood clot. Me buzz up right now. Hey, stop asking. Hold on, Andre, come on, man. Listen to me. You ask me if I come to Toronto. You go pay for me plane ticket to come there. Eh? Me say if you go pay for Jamaica and plane ticket to come there. The only way me come there, listen to me. Me say they walk one. See some of my doofs they are coming in now. Bless up yourself, man. Eh? You wanna? Yeah. You go play for me plane ticket to come there. Eh? You have to have some money, you know. Cause me now D1, walk one, up top. No. Toronto. Let me give you one small talk real quick, you know. Cause I come like say you want a one small talk. Let me tell you something. If you not go pay for me ticket for come there. Up top. Bless up. John, what go on? Up top. Much love. Yes, man. So, alright then. Hold on there. Yeah. Toronto, in your ass. You go pay for me plane ticket for come there. And you have to have some blood clot money. Cause me now come there, come spend no blood clot money. So if you want me come to Toronto, make sure say you have some money. Make sure you have my plane ticket. And make sure you have some money in your pocket. Because me now come spend no money. You hear me I say? Eh? I mean, you know what make you ask me if I come to Toronto to rat it. No, make me get feisty, you know. Do not make Jamaican P get feisty to Ross clot. Yes, bless up, man. Up top. Wilters, Wagwan, bless up yourself. Williams, up top. Bumba clot. No, hold on there. You don't like my dreadlocks and look good no Ross clotting. Bumba clot. Me say me no know me look good so today. Anthony Wagwan, me see you, you know. Me say Lord of mercy, me see you. Me not tell you say me see you, man. That's how you think said. Up top. Me say Lord of mercy, some of them are people are glad to see Jamaican people. Me say, me say, what up it? Me tell you something. Up top. Now you wanna know, me need to get me finish smoke my ganja, no, man. I like ganja smoke cause them wanna say on the tuning right now to rascal. You know, roll up, you know. Make sure you know about ganja now, no mouth, you know. True love, what go on, dad? Bless yourself. Good God. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Good God. We have to go put it out again. Oh, it's a skirt. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, man. Blood clot. Ja! Rasta blood clot far right. Smoke and bumbo clot baking of this blood clot, yeah. What me say? Stick your AK green shit in this blood clot, yeah. You wanna know? Bumbo, hold on, the way him say? Nice girl in Toronto. Man, stop it nice. How money me a talk about? We a talk about girls. We a talk about money. Me have a woman already. We don't need no other girl. A girl you talk about, a woman me deal with, you know. Me have a woman already, man. Tappy nice, no, man. Jesus, Pete. You not talk about no money. If you not talk about no money, we nobody talk about no girls. Me no deal with girls. Me deal with big woman. And a big woman me have already. Me no need no other woman, because me and my woman a come, you know. That's why me tell you, say, if you have plane tickets, and me and my woman a come, and we not spend no rascal money. Okay? Alright, now me don't talk to you now, because you talk about some fucker me no want hear. You not talk about no rascal money. And money me a deal with. Straight. Lord gosh! You say it! That's how we see, that's how we deal with the thing, you know. We deal with the thing right over here, so. Yes, General, I don't think that. Blood clot. Hey, me no want to no put up sitting up there and things that Jamaican people can't read, you know. No fuck. Nobody thinks that just because me tell you some me buzz up, me read some shit. Nobody put up the fucker up there. Cause if you put up fucker, forward, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself if you can tune in, man. Respect. You see it? If me no see if me do not be careful. Hey, true love. True love. True love. True love. True love. True love. Me say true love. Listen to me. Listen to me. That's why me no like come live, you know. Because some me know say no for uno no rate me. No for uno no respect Jamaican people. See it? Uno watch me video them, uno see say me's a real youth. See it? Right? So if me's a real youth, everything me do go and be real. You see me I say? Tell you something. You see, if you not smoke icky green shit, you can't come around Jamaican people. Get to me I say? Yeah. You have to smoke icky green shit. If you not smoke icky green shit, you cannot come around Jamaican pay. You hold on them. Me no know what me couldn't make me have to do this, you know. Wanna see how the ganja look? Look how a blood clot look. Wanna smell how it smell? Smell how a blood clot smell. This is icky green shit. Jamaican P do not smoke nothing that do not come from the ground. You get to me, I say? Me say Jamaican P do not smoke none that come from the ground. You get to me, I say? Now make me show you something, because you lose your rascal mind. You really lose your mind. No disrespect, but me really have to show you, because come like I say, hold on them. Because you lose your blood clot mind. Okay? I think you're losing your mind, my brother. Me no know who you think you're talking to. Jamaica me come from. Okay? Nobody can fool me. Okay? What is that? What that look like to you? What that look like? Eh? What is that? What is that? I said what is that? Eh? Me say what is that? That is a seed. Okay? Seed. Oh, seed when me can go through what I do and plant. Eh? What wrong with you? Eh? Let me tell you something. About a month left before they legalize that shit here in a family state which part me live in. 1 fucking month. Okay? 1 fucking month left. Eh? And after that month come, guess what? Everybody can do what the fuck they want to do. If they want smoky, drinky, eaty, then can't do it. Drive out that door, walk past the police, smoky, do it. You don't know what going on? Let me tell you something. Anytime you live in America here, okay, let me go on some real shit right now. You see, up top, Shay Wagwan, or whatever the name there is, bless up yourself, smoke and bake. Yo, let me tell you now, you see, anytime you live in America, America is a place to live. See? Anytime you live in America, you see, anytime you see the Arab them build up them store and shit. Anytime you're going there and you look on them little sign where they have up there, if you take your money and go buy the little weed that they sell in a little buckle and shit, and you go buy that, you kill your blood clot self. Me no eat that. Me's a boy no smoke cigarette. Yeah? Me's a boy no smoke weed where no come from the ground. Okay? Synthetic weed, me no smoke that. We no buy that. Okay? Only blood clot Arab them sell that shit. And anything with them blood clot sell ain't no real. You get to me, I say? Just like them jewelry, just like them blood clot clothes, just like every fucking thing they sell in night. No, you no want to go buy it, you no can't go buy it. But me, live in America, yeah? America no have synthetic weed. Unnecessary blood clot. A lot of places where can get ganja come from California, Florida, where good ganja then come from, and other places. Texas. What take on no? What take on no? Bamba clot, the amount of sticky green shit Jamaican peace smoke to pussy clot can count for my blood clot and don't come to me with them fuckery here. If you don't want me and you fall out, no come to me with fuckery. Cause me feisty and me rank. And me's a boy will cuss you out quick. You get to me I say? Oh, alright. So now we get that pass with Bumble Clot, man. Me go back. You don't blow me eye. You don't blow me eye. No, let me go back and catch me another vibe so we can get pan where we are get pan. Yeah, man, big up yourself to my friend. Up top. Raga, or Raggy, whatever that name is. Up top. Lorian Wagwan, up top. Jamaica, Wagwan, a Jamaican, whatever that is, TV. Bless up yourself. Much love and respect, yeah? Come like them block it. I block them block that Me bless you up stay away and them block it. Come like I block them block oh no, them block him. Jamaican pan people. Up top. Bless up. Rock Wagwan. Roxanne Wagwan. Up top. But they had to try to vibes, yeah. Make them know. Shut. Bless up yourself, man. Well, whatever it is, me call your blood clot name, not you. Me not call your first name. Me tell you no say no company you can rank on yourself. If me call your first name, where matter where you like where other one say? If me already call your rotted first name, where the rest clot matter where me say after that? Tapping nice, man. We don't know where I make up all up nice for. True love a big you up there. The blood clot Beenie, man. Me soon tell you about him, man. Hold on, man. Let me finish smoking herb now. Vibes were going. Up top. I saw you stay. Alright then. Bless up. Faith Wagwan. Jamaican Jack, they are blood clot Jamaica upon the beach. Yeah. Well on the DJ Ken Wagwan. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Blood clot DJ Ken in a blood clot place. Up top. Bumbo clot DJ Ken. Bless up yourself. You can come tone into Jamaican P, yeah, man. Bumbo clot. No, so I think set. LA Lewis need a raw shot. Then you see LA Lewis get shot already. Go pan my boy the channel. When name again, in the just depend here, you know. Damn, with the blood clot channel name again. Bumbo clot. One little youth put up one video there. When me there, I kill LA Lewis to Ras clot. Wanna go and go check him out. Dancehall mix up. Yeah, that channel there. Wanna go and go find that channel there and go check it out. Yeah, man. Little youth find the video and youth put it up there. And him said Jamaican P done him bomba wall. Go and go check out the video, man. JR Wagwan 2012. Up top. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. You say it. Alex. And not even Alex that. Bless up yourself. See it, hey, see there? Dancehall Mix Up TV. Yeah. That youth, they go check out that youth, the channel. Yeah, man, that youth, him a try start him channel. Give him a blood, you know what I'm saying? When you go and go big him up, go and go check out him thing. Him a try start him thing. Cause you know, say Jamaican P no bad mind, you know. Yeah. You don't know, say Jamaican P no bad mind, you know. And we no ready and we no grudgeful. Yeah. So when you go and go check out the youth channel, give him some love over there. You see it? You might try chat start. Wagwan! Bless up yourself, man. Brown County, bless up yourself, man. If you come tune in. See? All them man they try start them channel too. And go bless up them man the channel, you know. Queen, Wagwan, up top. No, hey, big up yourself, man. Dancehall Mix Up. See it? I saw it thing set. You see it? I saw it thing set, car. You don't know, say, you say when you're no bad mind. Gregory Wagwan, when you're no bad mind and grudgeful. See it? You know, have no problem give somebody a blind. You see it? I make them go on with for them thing. You see it? I saw me say it. Yeah. So anyway, blood clot, Jamaican P come on this bumbo clot, you know. If you come speaking blood clot mind. Now, the reason why me come on here, you know. See? Pan the day, you know. The blood clot boy Beenie, man. Family them a come to my blood clot channel and them a yap off them blood clot mouth. Yeah. And that me I say, hey, Dan, clean heart, then I must. Just bless up yourself. Or whatever the name is, up top. Up top, man. Anyway, so alright then. So Beenie man, I send him blood clot family them come run to my channel and come yap off them blood clot mouth. Wanna Beenie man niece. Okay? Wanna Beenie man niece. Come to my blood clot channel. The bitch put up a pussy clot message, send a message to me. And the bitch tell me say, nasty blood clot bitch. And know she a suck dick from a early blood clot age. I hope she a blood clot watch me. You know share the live here. Dirty blood clot girl. You know see her suck dick from a early blood clot age bitch. Dirty bumbo hole. Girl. You suck dick from a early blood clot age and Beenie man a suck bumbo clot dick from a early age too. Blood clot. Now first of all, if me a pick up for your grandmother, then a good thing that me a do. After me not do nothing wrong. I pick up for him and mama. If you listen to the blood clot video, the whole time I pick up for the woman. See? Me I tell you no say, Figure buy a new bed for the blood clot woman. This dirty blood clot bitch when I cleaning pussy. One can tell me say me fi top worried about it for what, girl? Wanna put it up on social media for your bumbo clot, eh? And me tell you say for blood clot put him video up there. Wanna put the fucking video up there. And me say when me see me say you know, eh? When me blood clot see me say, okay? Wanna fucking put the fucking video up there. And the only fucking thing me say, the fucking woman on earth, I don't need to buy a woman a new blood clot bed. Eh? No, bitch, you want to come to me blood clot shit. I want to come send me message. I want to come blood clot tell me, say, me not fi worry about your grandmother. Bitch, can suck your mother. Your bumbo clot, your bitch. I am worrying about your grandmother, bitch. Because you is a little bitch that been sucking dick and your grandmother been telling you. Eh? How many fucking times your grandmother tell you dirty girl so you fi stop suck blood clot dick? Eh? Eh? Now your grandmother sick to blood clot and your grandmother back to pussy clot or hurt her every bumbo clot dear. Which one of you go over there go change her when she shit up herself? When she piss up her and shit up her bumbo clot self, which one of you go over there? Beenie man go over there go change the woman blood clot shitty drawers? Eh? Which one of you go over there go blood clot give her a blood clot shower? Which one of you? Eh? In dirty blood clot girl? One can send me message about una take care. Una not take care woman. Bumbo clot, dirty pussy clot, you know. Fuck blood clot Beenie man. The pussy wall, eh? I make you whole for blood clot money, eh? He say my star a blood clot dancehall, blood clot this and dancehall that, eh? The girl them use it whole for pussy and put in her face, bruise up the whole and blood clot face, eh? Eh? Under my blood clot fault, eh? Eh? The dirty blood clot worthless bumbo old boy need for blood clot take care of bumbo clot mama. And dirty bitch, if I your grandmother bitch you need to take care of your fucking grandmother and go spend more time with your blood clot grandmother bitch. Eh? Are you feel over there? I help her fi turn up and blood clot sit down. You fucking bright. Me know the fuck you come for me shit. I come talk about say, well, yeah, Jamaican P, yeah, me know why you talk about me grandmother because me grandmother not have nothing to do with nothing. Well, dirty girl, dirty girl, you not pick up for your fucking uncle. A girl not say nothing about Beenie man or blood clot. Not one thing about Beenie man. The dirty bitch not say nothing about Beenie man. I ain't grandmother I want to come talk about bumbo old bitch. We ain't see you in a fucking video. When I see you in a fucking video, you know, dirty girl, what you did there? You did there suck dick, not you? Eh? You did there suck dick while your mama blood clot, grandmother need blood clot help, bitch. You bumbo wall, eh? You fucking nasty whore, eh? Eh? You bumbo clot. Me don't know the fuck, bitch, you find time. For come poop out of your blood clot mouth, eh, girl? For come send me message, eh, girl? Eh? When I last time I change your blood clot drawers? Tell me. In pussy wall, I know me can't hear you telling me nothing dirty girl. Me I listen. Your blood clot, yo. When I last time I change your drawers? In bitch. Someone like a blood clot girl. Pussy think no blood clot. Smell like piss all blood clot there. Cause you don't know if you wipe your pussy correctly. In girl? Eh? I know my fault. Blood clot. And that worthless one Beenie man where suck blood clot dick. From the time in do his song, when sing say, Sim Simma, who's got the keys to my beamer? Who am I? How can I make love to another nigga? He fuck him and ask himself that the question if a long fucking time. Bitch and me you want to come fresh yourself with? Bitch me too fucking feisty. You can't fresh yourself with me. Eh? You cannot fresh yourself with me, dirty girl. Let me tell you this one time. I mean I go tell you 2 times. I mean I go tell you 3 times, dirty girl. You're bright. Fuck you can talk about this is Beenie man niece. Bitch, you're bright. Eh? Your face stay. Eh? Eh? I wish girl put pussy in your blood clot mouth. Eh, girl? Keep a wagwan, keep a dan, wagwan. Bless up me general. If you can tune into Jamaican P-thing, that you they always watch my video them, you know. Bless up yourself, youth. And if you had to start one video, people, if you must start up one channel, go check out in channel. Up top. You say it. I saw a bumbo clot do it. We no pet and powder nothing over here, so we no sugar coat a blood clot thing over here, so. Bumbo clot little bitch. fucking little bitch start take dick from an early age. Bitch, you know say not even your uncle you no respect. Girl, not even your blood clot uncle you no respect, bitch. You fucking lucky say me name put your name up here. Girl, you lucky say me delete your bumbo clot before me not even read all I sitting with this blood clot girl I put up there. Me not even read all I what she put up there. The bitch write a book. You don't believe me? Me say the blood clot girl write a fucking book. Me say the book's a blood clot long. Me don't know what the fuck. How much time? How come she have so much time on her hand? Fucking girl should not take dick in her blood clot mouth to pussy clot and a suck blood clot dick to Ross clot and a occupy her pussy clot mouth. Bitch want come send me message. Bitch can suck your mother. Your bumbo clot, your bright and pussy clot face tea. If you come rank yourself with Jamaican P. Girl, you're bright? You're bright? Fuck your musty blood clot dance. Cause you couldn't bright a blood clot. You shouldn't watch it all of my video that when we put up there. And talk to yourself. And ask yourself, say, self, you know what? I want if me shouldn't send that boy a no blood clot message. Cause you know say that boy a rank. He rank, you know. I mean, I want to tell me about my mama. I mean, I want to tell me about my papa. I mean, I want to tell me about none of my blood clot family. Bitch, you shouldn't ask your blood clot self that. Bitch, if I was you, I would have asked myself that bumbo clot. Go suck your mother here, girl. And not come back from my blood clot shit and come go on like you want to fresh your blood clot self. Here, girl, come me will tear off your jaws off of you and beat you with it. Hear me, girl? Me will take off your jaws and beat you with it. You bumbo clot, you bitch. You know, say toilet tissue them where you use to pussy clot figure bathroom and I wipe your pussy every time you go piss, girl. You know, say itch up between your pussy cheeks. Hey, girl, what you need to do? I go take time, sit down on the bed, and pick out every one of the blood clot toilet tissue where itch up between your pussy. Hey, girl, your blood clot, your pussy wall too blood clot big. Your fucking germs. Hey, girl, and bumbo clot beanie, man. You know, say man, I fucking, you know, say belly bloated like him a breed. Hey, dirty boy, beanie, man. Hey, boy, let me tell you something. I want thing to blood clot, boy. When you come on social media, talk about say you are king of dancehall, and you are king of this, and you are king of sucking dick, and you are king of fucking body, and all them blood clots in. Yeah, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, batty boy. Let me tell you something. You have to go start. You steady every whole pit in them. You have to go stop every pit in them because guess what? Guess what the world I do know. Guess what the batty man them start to know. You know want to know the truth. You know want to know what going. You know have to go stop have pitney. You know hear what Jamaican piece of car. Hear what now? Them batty man them I try pass the law. Zin? You know hear what me come here get some deep shit now. Hear what now? See? The batty man you know have to go stop have pitney. Hear what Jamaican piece say. Everybody, all them man them, you know have to go start strap the fuck up. Because guess what now? The blood clot, them a try, the batty man them a try change the law. Them a try change every fucking thing. See? Here one now. You see when pick the bar now, the birth certificate, the birth certificate, it now go be one gender no more. The birth certificate, any pitney you have, any pitney you have, guess what? The pitney not have the choice to make, if he say, if him is a boy or if him is a girl. You get to me I say? So the bottom man them now, they might try change the gender, they might try change all of the birth certificate them now. So all of the pitney them we are born now, 2020, guess what? If that motherfucker want born and him a little baby and he want to say my blood clot, if him is a boy and he want to say my girl, that's the fucking birth certificate ticket go and say. When you hear me I say? Me say you with Jamaica. Bumbo clot and me fi blood clot tell you no dog. Uno go Google it. Uno listen to me. Lee Wagwan. Uno go Google it. Listen to me. A serious fucking shit me I tell you no. The batty boy them up here in America. They might try change the birth certificate of all fucking baby and all human being we born. Yes. So you know your birth certificate tell a gender that you is a boy, you know? You was born a male, right? And you know the female them born you was born as a female. Guess what? Pussy well they might try change your whole birth certificate jar. They might try change it where you fucking, it don't even fucking matter no more. You understand me? Uno go Google it. Fuck. When time uno done watch me, Beverly Wagwan. Real talk. Anytime uno done watch me, uno go and go Google what me say. See it? I don't remember what the actually word of what they but it's something to do with the gender. See it? Yeah. So now, your birth certificate, I like picking them with a bar now. Guess what? Them birth certificate, if them come through with it, if that's if them pass the law. Zin, that's if them pass the law. If them pass that law, that's what the fuck going to happen. So no watch out for it. Jamaican parents, Jamaican people. You can't say Jamaican people ain't telling you before it happen. Me telling you right now. You hear me? Yeah, that is sad, isn't it? That's fucked up, isn't it? That's real fucked up. So not even the parents them. Edwards, bless up yourself, mama, if you come tune in. Not even the parents them have the opportunity to say if them blood clot pitney a male or if them pitney a female. Ain't that fucked up, dog? Yeah? The bottom man, them a try pushy. Yeah, man. Them a try pushy and them a pushy hard. So Jamaicans, all like Jamaicans them. You know if you fight for your rights. Fight for you no pitney them rights, dog. See it? Them a try change the whole fucking thing. And when me get to understand, say, you know, see it? What go on now, you know? Anything we go on in America, you know, dog, go on in Jamaica, you know. So, you know, say, when you see it, them all already a fight against the people, them, we have them own beliefs. Bless up yourself, Edwards. Them a fight against the people, them, we have them own beliefs. Because here one now, remember, say, when them come out and say, when they come out with the Batman rights, see, they don't care about the people them when no condone in them thing there, you know. See, they don't care about free rights, you know. See, then they come out with the man them now can use woman bathroom now. You see me I say, man can use woman bathroom now. Me I tell you that shit. Woman now can use man bathroom now. You understand what me I say? They have the little kids them in school now. See, the little gender pity them or whatever the fuck them is. See, them I use little gender girls, them I use boy bathroom now. When you see what I go on? Yeah, them I try change up every fucking thing. Them I try change the birth certificate. Them I try change every fucking thing. And that are the law them I try pass here in America now. The batty boy them I fight feet. See? So if you go on, go bomber clock, Google it. Me tell you no, you go on, go Google it. Them I try change. And let me tell you, I work me there. I mean, I want me whitey them I talk about it. Cause the whitey them I say fuck that. The whitey them say no right. Cause whitey them say no right fee. The pitney them and them can make a choice. No, them I try fuck it up where you don't have no choice. If you say if you're pitney a boy or a girl. Wanna see what I go on? Wanna see what I go on, dog? Me blood clot. Yes. And that a blood clot go on. Yes, mate, Jamaican people, somehow, no, Beenie man, let me tell you, boy, you have to go stop off blood clot pitney, because your pitney birth certificate, if that motherfucker is a girl, if that motherfucker, guess what, then go, it no matter no more, that birth certificate is a fucked up birth certificate. Now listen to me, I say, I show me no blood clot, I show me not think right now, if you tell me what I go on, really, but I'll come back again. I'll go make a video on social media and tell you what really I go on. See it? Yes. Them a try change the batty boy, them a try change up the whole thing. See you know? Alright. When they pass the law in a foreign say, they feel batty boy them alone. Batty boy them have rights. When they pass the law in America, see them come to Jamaica, come pass the fucking law. You see say now they have Batman march at Jamaica now. You know see what I go on? Anything we are going in America, yeah, where Batman them a do. It a go happen in a Jamaica. So Jamaicans, Jamaican government, Jamaican family, Jamaican parents, you know, listen to me, dog. If you don't see it yet, it a come, dog. You hear me? I tell you no bomba clot. While you know blood clot, they on social media fight against me and I send me blood clot, stupid shit. You know fuck. And me, I tell you no what I go on. You know see what I go on. You know fuck for no. So Beenie man, let me tell you something. We're losing our rights. Then not true, Edwards. Not true. I true, man. Things not right, dog. I tell you, things not right. Shit fucked up, dog. So while enough I know, you see all that, you see all the fight girl them we are name out pussy and all them blood clot thing, the dog. Guess what? Them girl will get more rights. Yeah. Now them can go have pitney and them can call the pitney. Whatever the fuck they can call, they want to call the pitney now. You understand me? And blood clot Beenie man a run around and have a whole heap of blood clot pitney them. Nah take care of blood clot pitney them. Nah take care of blood clot mama. Seem just have one pitney there. Sim just have one blood clot pitney there. A real talk, man. Sim blood clot just have one blood clot pitney there, road boy. Some of una boy out there. Let me tell you something, dog. Una have to go start strap the fuck up, bro. Start strap up. Stop off pitney. Say it. Say it. Stop off pitney. Because if your religion, if your religion is what your religion is, and them a try change what the fuck your religion is, you know right, dog. You know just say we not honor rights. All like blood clot Christian people and we are true God people, them we not honor rights, dog. You know say all batty man there in a blood clot church a preach now. You know say it? Batty man in a blood clot church a preach. You know say it? And a whole Bible in a hand. You know see what go on, dog? Bumbo clot. Let me tell you no one go on, dog. Now see that now Beenie man little niece come to me thing now and she come send me message and she a yap off her blood clot mouth and a disrespect me the most blood clot way. The only thing left for that little bitch do I threaten me. See it? The only thing she left to do is threaten me and tell me what she a gonna do to me and ray. But the fact is Jamaican people do not give a fuck. You see it? That's you see what me I say Edwards. Yeah, the fact is, dog. See it? I feel real, man. See it? A real talk, dog. Gonna listen to me. I say, dog, me putting up on game right now. See it? Me putting up on game. Because the fact is, see when me talk, me don't give a fuck, right? See it? Enough of know it already. See it? When Jamaican people talk, lad, say youth that don't give a fuck, but you know what? A true youth attack, You see me, I say? Carlton, big up yourself. You see me, I say? See it? See it? And that a go on. Saying that I go on, but you see the true fact is, the true fact is, more time when I see certain things on social media, dog, I want to see my company and talk, I because me try find the facts. I try find the facts, and when we find the facts, we try put it out there. Because here one now, if me ain't tell you that, you would know, enough of you would know. Some of you already know about it. You understand me? See it? But if me ain't tell you that, enough of you would know. But don't forget, say me did tell you, anytime that story they pop up, me they tell on a dog. See it? See it? Wanna just don't forget that Jamaican P was the first one. Tell you and don't forget, make sure you go Google that shit. Go Google it, read up on it, learn about it, and make sure you have an understanding. The shit gonna be fucked up. 2020 gonna be real fucked up, dog. So that's why me always I tell you say, yo, make sure you pray. Yeah? Hey, after a long time we know God, See it? And the God where we know, we have to make sure we keep him close. Cause that I only way. See it? Skipper be. Bless up yourself. See? That I only way, dog. We can keep righteous. You get to me and say, I feel real, That I only way we can keep righteous, dog. Because you know, if we go follow the God, see it? Judgment, real shit. See it? Alright. See it now. New Orleans. You remember New Orleans? I could go up and attack real fast. Before me come off of this. Remember New Orleans. Everybody know about New Orleans all over the world, including Jamaica. Alright? Check this out. Now, remember the amount of shit where did I go on in New Orleans, right? Remember? What if a Batman shit a go on there? What if a blood clot, obia, killing? What if a nasty blood clot shit did I go on in another city there? I want to see what God do. God wipe out it bumbo clot. You know see what I go on? Me say man go wipe out the blood clot. Nobody ever get the opportunity to go back there to go live. You know see what I go on? God go wipe out that blood clot and me say wipe out the whole fucking city people. The whole fucking city, You know see what I go on? New Orleans. Guess what? Guess what now? The amount of blood clot people and the amount of state we have passed all these fucked up rules and all these fucked up shit for confuse our mind and fuck up our ability to function. Zane, you know see what them a do? See? And them not think about say, oh, I God run the world in the dog. You see when God come back this time, me just hope say me keep God close to me and stay out of way. Zane? Me hope when him come back this time, he push me out of the way and push me picking them out of the way. If me picking them, I do good things. If them I do fuck up things, well, him can't keep them in a way. You see me I say? Yeah, and the family member them way, if them are do good things, push them out of the way with me. But if them are do fucked up things and the friends them or the friends them where I do fucked up things, push them, make them go about them business. You get to me I say? Eh? Anytime Father God come back next time, you remember when come to Jamaica come wipe out that blood clot too much time? Eh? I want him, you know. Eh? Him start wipe out Jamaica from blood clot Gilbert days. Eh? I want him, you know. Una nah blood clot listening, no dog. Eh? All who we a false prophet, all who we a false preacher, all who we a false blood clot, this and that. Uno fuck. Me tell you know. Remember say uno, hey, remember say me di tell you know, dog. From Gilbert days, dog. Him a wipe out Jamaica, you know. When him blood clot come back down there, me open a bumbo clot ready for hold on, you know, dog. Me a tell you know. Eh? Me a tell you know. The things them were going to start at 2020. 2020, there's bad destruction shit a go come. You see me I say? It speaks in the Bible all the time, in the dog. No found no pay attention to it, dog. See it? 2020, no found no say no. I mean no say no found no get up and say no go change your life. No found no say no have New Year resolution. And when in a New Year resolution, when the New Year come now, you say you go and do this, you go and do that. You go and stop do this, you go and stop do that. But guess what now? Guess what now? No? No matter where you stop the blood clot, it's still going to be the same. You understand what me I say? Nothing now go blood clot change. The price per food go and go up. The price per every blood clot thing go and go up. And that are the only fucking changes. Then go and bring more fucking shit on social media for fucking corrupt with fucking mind. You know say what I go on? That the only fucking thing I go happen in the dog. Then go and come out with new technology. All that little fuckery. You know say what I go on? Pretty soon woman. Woman now for breed by man no more to blood clot. Pretty soon I inject blood clot shit in a woman, you know say. When 2020 come to pussy clot, the pity them where born and a real pity them. And a real pity them. None of them live round with. Them no real. Fuck them no real. Some of them come from animal. Fuck fi know. Yeah, some of them come from animal. Them get them little sperms and they inject in a woman them out there. You see what I say? Una say no for blood clot woman they will have pitney to pussy clot by man and no feed them pitney. So my man them and a fee man them pitney, but some my man them dumb to pussy clot and go sign birth certificate and where blood clot government do. Give me blood clot pitney and no fee pitney. I government blood clot pitney. I government breed the blood clot girl and put the pitney in there. Una say what I go on? Bumbo clot. Let me tell you what I go on. Everything is fucked up. Everything is real fucked up. You have to pay attention. That's why you have to always have your mind on a conscious level, dog. You see? Yeah? You always have to have your mind on a conscious level, because if you don't have your mind on a conscious level, dog, see it, you can't go mad. You understand what me I say? You can't go mad. I may have another thing to talk about too. Now, no for no girl, if you don't want to have no pitney, don't have your pitney. Alright? If you don't want to have any pitney, don't have them. You understand me? Don't go walk me your legs and go breathe and then throw pitney in a garbage pan, and all them fuck with it. Won't I do? No, stop it, man. It's still a go on. From long time them think they are going, you know. Wanna fi stop it. All on the girl, some on the girl a pussy on the name. Some on the girl on the name pussy. Wanna get with one girl, and one girl tell you no say she want pitney to blood clot. She want pitney, and then girl don't eat out your pussy and break up with you, and then you decide say you don't want no blood clot pitney, you go throw a pitney in a blood clot garbage pan. Stop it. Me know what I do. Uno girl, uno fi stop it. If a pussy you suck, just continue to suck pussy. Don't fuck no man and get pregnant and confused and like you your mind. See? But at that I go on still. At that I go on in the world now. That's why you see enough of them little youth, them not there on them pooper. See? Them little youth, the woman, them a keep them away from them father, because them woman, they don't want them little youth, they around them father, they want them around some female, and call a female father. If you stop it, dog, the shit no right, G. You see me I say, if you really stop it to the judgment that come in, dog. Me no say me perfect a blood clot, you know. No, sir. Me no perfect a blood clot. No, sir, me no perfect, you know. Me no perfect. No, sir, me no perfect. No. Me no perfect a blood clot. I no say me picking them perfect. I no say me friend them perfect. Me no say nobody around me perfect, you know. But let me tell you something. You have to choose what kind of life you want to live in a life, dog. You have to choose. See, you can't choose both of them. You can't choose say you want to fuck body and you want to fuck pussy at the same time. That's fucked up, man. That really fuck up the whole world, dog. The world really get fucked up, you know. Eh? The world really get fucked up, you know. Just like when we was little and I grew up, I see where the old timers them used to say to we. Yeah, when we have grow up and the technology had changed and certain things are coming. Old timers, me used to hear old timers attack, seeing we like how me sit down here blood clot talk. Old timers used to sit down there talk and me sit down there and I listen to old timers and old timers say, oh no, boy, oh no sense, man. The technology coming, you know, wearing no pants big, you know, wearing no pants and no shirt big and all this, and the motor say, yeah, old timers used to say the same fucking thing. But you see, the old timers, them when me used to know to blood clot, them dead and gone and left the world to me now. See it? Left the world to me now. Now me turn big man now. And see it now. Me see what the old timers them they talk about from ages. You get to me, I say? A long time old timers I tell you what go on, you know. Long time, dog. You get to me, I say? Your grandfather, your uncle, bumbo clot, all your grandmother, dog. From ages. Grandmother tell us, yeah, this and this are gonna come. Blood clot. Bob Marley used to say it. Eh? Bob Marley used to blood clot say it all the time. This and this are gonna come. This and this. Enough singer where we listen to used to say it. See it? Yeah. This and this are gonna come. And I true everything fucking come. Yeah. Real talk, dog. Blood clot. Well, hey. Back in the days when the old timers them used to talk to we would have never think say I ever put it in a million years that Batman wouldn't have so much rights. Eh? We'd have never put that in a million years, dog. That Batman wouldn't ever have so much blood clot rights. Wanna see how much rights Batman have? Eh? Wanna see how much rights Batman have? More rights more than normal blood clot people. Remember me tell you that. Batman have more rights more than normal blood clot people. You know, say Batman try to change birth certificate now. Oh, fuck tan there. Eh? Bless up yourself if you can tune in. Eh? I for real, man. Me glad say on the day I go and fight with me right now for me I'll talk off them things off of my mind because them things I need to come off for the mind, dog. And some I only need to really think about it, star. See it? Alright. Some of you know, some of you don't turn big people now have grandkids and shit. Have you ever wondered how your grandpicking gonna turn out? Eh? Anyone who ever sit back and wonder how your grandpicking gonna turn out? Eh? You fuck. Cause you don't know if your grandpicking gonna turn out, you can't have a granddaughter. You don't know if your granddaughter turn out to suck pussy. Eh? You don't know if your granddaughter go start decide say boy she want to go in a man section for go shopping for man clothes. You what me I say? A blood clot, your granddaughter to pussy clot. You love your granddaughter to pussy clot when your granddaughter was a little baby. Your granddaughter so nice to Ross clot and respectful. But to pussy clot something clicking at your granddaughter head. Or your grandson head. And your grandson decides say, well, you know, say me no want to be no boy no more. I blood clot girl section me want to go shopping in now, you know. A girl clothes me want to wear. Guess what? You don't have the rights to tell your grandson say, oh, you can't do it. You don't have the rights to tell your granddaughter say, oh, you can't do that. Cause guess what? If you turn your back and if you throw them out upon the street, guess what? The Batman them, guess what? Them did it for them. Pick them up. Pick them up and give them rights. You get to me? I say, parents not have no rights no more, dog. All of the rights gone out of door now. Remember me tell you, when them first stop parents' rights is when them pass the law say you can't lick your pitney. That's when them stop parents' right. That's why you see so much Batman out here, you know. You when me a say no man? Pre when me a blood clots, dog. Pre when me a blood clots, man. A real talk, dog. For real blood clot talk, man. You have to pay attention to them things because you know, if you don't pay attention to them things like that, how you gonna know? See? Enough people blind to the thing, you know. Enough people don't watch news. Enough people don't know certain things. See it? So them just whoa, them sit back and you see it? As for you, big up yourself, James. Up top for come tune in, man. See it? See it? So just for sure now, like me said, when you go and go Google it. Find out what go on. See? Alright. Now, me go on another topic real fast. See? Alright, here one now. You notice say Jamaicans, they don't have no rights. Or Jamaicans don't know their rights when they come in contact with a police officer. You notice that? Eh? You notice that Jamaican people don't have no rights when they come on to a police officer. But you see, here in America, we have rights now. You see the little bit of rights that people really have. Eh? You don't have no right for blood clot. Tell your people so they can't suck the kid. But guess what? You have the rights to pussy clot. Eh? If you tell the police say you're not winding on your window, you have the rights to tell the police say, oh, you're not to give me a license. You have the rights to say all those things, you know. You know that? See? But see, we go there, enough of we go there every day, dog. See? We go there every blood clot day, and we don't realize, say, every day when we go there, enough of we don't watch news, enough of we don't listen to radio, and then fuck with it. The first thing enough of we do, well, enough of uno. See? Enough of we too, I include myself. The first thing we do, we get in our car, we turn on some music. Then the first thing that your blood clot do, turn on some blood clot music. Enough of we turn on with favorite singer. And that's all we want to listen to. You know? But we don't know what go on in the blood clot world. To pussy clot, you get up that the day there and then pass one blood clot law. And you don't even know say one law pass the pussy clot, but you go about your blood clot business. And all of a sudden you hear somebody come tell you say, yo, you know, you walk go on and you say, kiss me blood clot after me, you know. And how long then pass that the law there? Eh? How long? Months pass the pussy clot and you know. Eh? Bomb clot one place, bomb up. Right round your neighborhood. And you ain't know a blood clot. Cause you get up to pussy clot and you go about your business every blood clot there. Think about it. Think about that shit. Fuck. Now for we get up to pussy clot, we get something to eat and we have work for go do. All we think about a guy work. We don't want nothing else for our mind. The first thing you do, you're going to your blood clot car and the first fucking bless up yourself, Miss Lady, if you come tune in. Wagwan. Much love, man. Bless. Yeah. Now for we get up to pussy clot and we eat our food, we full up our belly, get up, eat our breakfast, and now for we just go about our business. We keep our mind. Somehow we keep our mind closed in mind. That way we don't accumulate our mind with other things. Now for we need to accumulate with rascal mind and know what go on. Because if you don't accumulate your mind and know what go on, you're gonna be lost to the thing G. You see me I say? Yeah, you're gonna be lost to the thing, dog. You see it? You see it? Yeah. Because shit fucked up right now and the way shit fucked up right now. You know. No for uno have New Year resolution. No for uno say, well, New Year I come, you know say me not go smoke no more. You know say me not go drink no more. You know say me not go cuss no more. You know say me I go be more loving to me pity them. You know say me I go be more loving to my family them. You know say me I go be more friend loving to my friend. You know say this all these things you know go and put it on your mind won't go stop do. But me tell you something. You can't change it. You can't say all you want blood clots, but you see the in the middle of the blood clot here, you're going back to the same bubble clot person you was. Because you're going to have somebody. You're going to have somebody to blood clot. We're going to make you switch back into your fucking old ways. You get me I say? So you do better just stay the way you fucking is. Ain't nothing to be changed about. New Year come, where the fuck you change yourself for? Now if you're bad mind people to blood clot, maybe that you probably need to stop that doing that. You can change that about yourself. Yeah, you can definitely change that about your fucking self. Yeah, being bad mind. You see me I say? Yeah, I saw things set up. You see me I say people. So I saw, you don't have to look for a thing. Living a life the best way you can. Bumbleclad, Beenie Man, may I go tell you something. If you watch me right now, and if your little niece, now watch me want you send a message to that little bitch. And me want you tell that little blood clot dick sucking bitch that from long as she been sucking dick, don't come back from my blood clot channel and come send me no fucking message about any fucking thing about her grandmother. I don't give a fuck about her grandmother. And all the fuck I said, the bitch need a new bed. Yeah? Now Beenie Man, let me tell you something, bumble hole. And that little fucking bitch. Cause me gone back mad now. Lord God. Dirty blood clot. Bumbo well Beenie man. Now me stop me reason them with the people them. The people them get some blood clot reasoning and the people them get some bumbo clot ideas in them blood clotted. Now me back at your pussy wall. Me have 10 fucking minutes to give you some raw slick. And me I gonna make you people them see how your bumbo clot dirty. Now first of all, people. How much a uno where they pan ya? We still asleep on spring bed. How much? I want to my blood clots. The phone